Concerning the video of Queen crying, and then it went viral. I came back home this evening and I discovered that it has been posted by Instablog. Not be smart, see tagging, a lot of tagging. Even when I checked the comment section, somebody said 7 years, may all your achievements be wasted. People started insulting me. A lot of even videos I posted, people are now telling me, come and answer. So I'm here to give you guys the answer what happened between me and Queen. So back then during August, I went for a show in Kefi. So when I went for this show, I was not supposed to come back that day. I was to come back the next day. So I called her and I told her I won't be coming back that day. I'll come back the next day. So me and my team were supposed to sleep there. So after the show, I discovered that there was still time for me to come back to the house. So I told my team, let's just pack up. Instead of sleeping here, let me go to that side and let me just go home and then I rest. I called her, where are you? She said she was at home. So immediately I went to her house. I discovered that she was not at home. I called her on phone. I said, where are you? She told me she was at home and I was in her house and I did not see her. So when she discovered that I was in her house, she told me she was in her bestie's house. This bestie of a thing has been bringing issues. And I told her, this bestie, what are you doing in your bestie's house? She said, the bestie just said I should just come and then I went to give him product and then I do this. So you are going to actually spend the night in your bestie's house. And this bestie is the guy, not the lady said. I was upset. So I told her, okay, are you coming back to the house? I'm in your house. She told me she's coming back to the house, so that she's close by already. I waited there for almost 1 hour till about past 12. I did not see her. So I took my team and I left home. But I didn't sleep in the house that day. I had to stay somewhere else because I knew she was going to go to the house to find me. So when I got to the house, she was calling me and then saying sort of thing. But I did not, as a man, I choose not to react. So not until by December, although I already made up my mind, I did not promise her marriage. I already made up my mind, so I did not promise her anything. So this whole thing has been an issue. So I decided to lock up, and then this whole marriage thing, I'm not married. I only traveled to do the needful. I won't be posting much of this content here because of the TikTok violation.